Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Real Geeks for lead generation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Real Geeks website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal details and professional information. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Lead Generation tab found in the main menu. Explore the available lead generation tools. Select the Property Search feature for customized listings. Set parameters such as location, price range, and property type. Save your search settings for future use. Next, utilize the landing page feature. Choose a template that aligns with your branding. Customize the landing page content to attract potential leads. Integrate your social media accounts for wider reach. Now, use the Facebook marketing tool for targeted ads. Create a captivating ad that highlights your offerings. Set your budget and define your audience demographics. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly. Next, leverage the email campaign feature. Craft engaging emails that provide value to your leads. Schedule regular follow-ups to keep your audience engaged. Utilize the CRM functionalities to manage your leads efficiently. Track interactions and notes for each lead. Use automation tools to streamline your outreach process. Finally, analyze the results using the reporting tools. Adjust your strategies based on the data for better performance. Continue honing your lead generation tactics to maximize results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.